Today, we're going to be diving into the sweet world of honey and exploring its amazing health benefits. Honey has been used for thousands of years, not only as a natural sweetener but also as a traditional remedy for various ailments. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an incredibly beneficial addition to your diet. Adding honey to your diet can do wonders for your digestive system. It contains enzymes that help break down complex carbohydrates and sugars, improving your digestion and reducing symptoms like bloating and gas. Honey is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties that can strengthen your immune system. Regular consumption of honey can help ward off colds and other infections, keeping you healthy all year round. Swap out your sugar-laden energy drinks for some honey. This natural sweetener provides a slow, sustained energy release, preventing sugar crashes and keeping you going throughout the day. Struggling with sleep? Try a spoonful of honey before bed. It helps regulate your blood sugar levels, and its natural sugars encourage the release of melatonin, a hormone that promotes restful sleep. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. Adding honey to your diet can help keep your skin hydrated and glowing from within. Now that we've covered the health benefits of honey, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Here are some delicious ways to enjoy honey. 1. In your morning tea or coffee. 2. Drizzled over yogurt, oatmeal, or toast. 3. As a natural sweetener for smoothies. 4. In salad dressings or marinades. 5. In homemade energy bars or granola. And there you have it, the amazing benefits of honey and some delicious ways to enjoy it. Remember, moderation is key, so don't go overboard with your honey consumption. Aim for about 1 to 2 tablespoons a day to reap the maximum benefits. Until next time, stay sweet and healthy.